that you already got in HS second year. So um, is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do one thing. Just before going to start the chapter, all of you just keep ready your notebooks so that for some problems if arises, then you will just do a rough work on your notes. Okay, just keep ready your a rough copy with you. Fine. Okay, so let me begin today's class. Matrices and determinants. So these things, these two terms you already got in class 12, and here also some of the parts from the 12th section is required. So if you start if you want to start matrices, now what do you mean by matrices? You already know about matrices. What is that? It's nothing but a rectangular array of numbers. Okay, rectangular array of numbers means what? It's an order, what arrangement of numbers or elements or suppose objects, but which are placed in a rectangular way. Fine. So whenever some numbers or elements or objects are properly arranged in a rectangular array, then that arrangement is known as nothing but a matrix. Right. Okay, so a matrix of order m by n having m rows and n columns. So now what do you mean by order of a matrix? Simply for determining the order of a matrix, you just have to know about the number of rows and the number of columns that the matrix will have. Okay, so suppose the matrix contains m rows and the matrix contains n columns, then the order of the matrix should be, here it is written as m into n, but it is not spoken as m into n. It is written as m by n. That means m rows and n columns. Okay, and simply that number of rows and columns can be denoted by another way. It is what, its element in the ith row and j column. Ith row and j column is Aij. We denote matrix by capital. Suppose you can denote a matrix by any of the capital letters A, B, C, P, Q, etc. Okay. Now here simply given two examples of matrices. You can just see. First example is a matrix of order 2 by 2 is given. See how it's a order of matrix of order 2 by 2, because here you can see two rows are always in what, horizontal way, and columns are always in vertical way. So the first matrix is an example of a row what matrix of order 2 by 2, because two rows are here and two columns are also here. But the second one is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Always number of rows can be denoted by the first number. Fine. So in the second matrix, you can see first row, this is the horizontal line -102, and second row is what, 321, another second horizontal line. So therefore, number of rows is 2. Okay, and the number of columns are what, -13 is a vertical line, 02 is another vertical line, 21 is another vertical line. So how many columns that this matrix will have? 3 columns. So ultimately the matrix is of order 2 by 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. Now the matrix given below is nothing but the general matrix of order m by n. See, you already learned in class 12 the first horizontal line. What are the elements over there? A11, A12. Next element क्या होगा? It should be A13, and it will move to A1n. That small n is the number of columns. Now what is the meaning of A11? A suffix A11 means what? It is nothing but the what denotation of the position of the element A11. That means A11 मतलब क्या है? ये first row और first column का element. Fine. A11 is what? It is lying on the first row and first column. What do you mean by A12? It is lying on the first row and second column. And next, A1n means what? It is lying on the first row but in the nth column. Okay. Similarly, the second row is just in the same way, and the last row, that is nothing but AM1. That is, it is lying on the mth row first column, next one mth row second column, and it moves to the last element, that is AMN. That is, it is lying on the mth row and n column. Okay, so this is the general representation of a. So can you tell me what is the order of this matrix? That is nothing but m by. Okay. Uh, yeah. Um, the order is simply given different thing. See, next part is what? Algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices. And actually, this part we will begin in the next part after discussing the rows and columns part. But इससे पहले मैं बता देता हूँ तुम लोगों को. How can you equate two matrices? That is the thing. Number one, equality of two matrices. So यहाँ में जो मैथमेटिकली लिखा है, अगर ये समझ में नहीं आता तुम लोग को, तो मैं थोड़ा कंडीशन थोड़ा दूसरे टाइप का भी दे सकता हूँ. But see for now, कब होगा दो मैट्रिसेस इक्वल? Suppose if A equal to, thus the general matrix is written is in this way: Aij m by n means जो भी एलिमेंट है Aij ऑर्डर m by n होगा, and B is another matrix Bij और उसका ऑर्डर सपोज p by q है. ठीक है, are said to be equal, that is A equal to B if so if के बाद जो दो कंडीशन दिया हुआ है, have you seen these two conditions? Have you seen these two conditions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is written in symbolic way. So मैं तुम लोगों को मतलब और एक दूसरे तरीके से लिखा देता हूँ. मतलब two matrices देखो, कॉपी में लिखो, write down on your copy. I will just dictate that thing. All are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
लिखो
sir.
Yes, sir.
two matrices, capital A and capital B. Two matrices, capital A and capital B, are said to be equal if number one, there is the first condition, if number one, the orders of the two matrices are same. The orders of the two matrices are same. Okay, and the next number two condition is what? The corresponding elements of the matrices are same. The second condition is what? The corresponding elements of the two matrices are same. All of you written?
The corresponding.
The corresponding elements of the two matrices are same. Okay? So
Okay, sir.
दो मैट्रिक्स को इक्वल होने के लिए ये दोनों कंडीशन का होना जरूरी है. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन? फर्स्ट कंडीशन ये है कि जो दो मैट्रिक्स इक्वल बोला जाएगा, द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ द टू मैट्रिसेस आर हैव टू बी सेम फर्स्ट. मतलब सपोज ए मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर हो गया 2 by 2, So it is also it is obviously the order of the second matrix should be always 2 by 2. Only in that case the two matrices are said to be equal. मतलब order same होगा दोनों, ठीक है? And the next condition is what corresponding elements are also same. मतलब what do you mean by corresponding elements? Okay, suppose for the matrix, just take a simple example. See this, the two the two matrices which I have discussed in the definition part. So see, can we say that the first matrix is equal to the second matrix? No, that is obvious no,
No, sir.
because it is not satisfying both the conditions. First one, it is not satisfying the first condition first. What is the first condition? That the matrices are of same order. See, you can see here the first matrix is of order 2 by 2 and the what second matrix is of order 2 by 2. So पहला ही condition fail हो गया. So the matrices are what? The two matrices, these two matrices are not to be equal. Okay. अगर दूसरा कंडीशन तुम लोग देखो, what is the second condition? Corresponding elements of the matrices are same. So corresponding elements क्या होता है देखो, अगर ये suppose 2 by 2 ही matrix होता, suppose in the second matrix, you just delete the third column. If you delete the third column, तो क्या रह जाएगा मैट्रिक्स? What is the matrix then? -1 0 3 2. No? So in that case, are the matrices are said to be equal? Suppose in the
No,
third
sir.
matrix, you just delete the third column. Then what is the matrix left? -1 0 3 2. No? Now we can check the equality of matrices. That yes, their order should be same there. Okay, because in that case the order of the first matrix is 2 by 2, and if you delete the third column of the second matrix, then ultimately the order of the second matrix is also 2 by 2. But see, in that case, corresponding elements means what? The first element of the first matrix that should be equal to the first element of the second matrix. 1 यहाँ में -1 है, so equal नहीं है. Similarly, the second element of the first matrix is equal to the second element of the second matrix. Okay, that is the meaning of corresponding elements. जो भी पहला मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होगा वो दूसरा मैट्रिक्स का भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के साथ इक्वल होगा. It is not for the first element only, it will hold for all the elements that the matrix will. Okay, so इस दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होने पे तुम लोग बोलोगे that the matrix should be equal. Okay then, यहाँ में एग्जाम्पल वगैरह अच्छी तरह दिया नहीं है. Again, किसी का मोबाइल में अनम्यूट नहीं है, म्यूट नहीं है, just mute yourself. Okay, now see, now we go to the next type of matrices. So suppose simply matrix is given A equal to Aij m by n. So एक मैट्रिक्स को हम लोग रो मैट्रिक्स कब बोलेंगे? See, यहाँ में डेफिनेशन भी इतना तरह दिया नहीं है. Okay, लिखो डेफिनेशन लिखो, रो मैट्रिक्स का डेफिनेशन लिखो. Just write down the definition of a row matrix. A matrix that contains only one row is said to be a row matrix. ठीक है, एक मैट्रिक्स जिसमें खाली एक ही रो होगा उसको हम लोग रो मैट्रिक्स बोलेंगे. But that does not.
Sir, can you repeat?
Okay, a matrix is said to be a row matrix if it contains only one row. or you can simply say a matrix containing only one row is said to be a row matrix. ओके इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक ही रो होगा कॉलम नहीं रहेगा, ये मतलब नहीं है. इट डज नॉट मीन लाइक दैट. दैट मीन्स एक मैट्रिक्स में जब एक ही रो होगा इट डज नॉट डिपेंड हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ कॉलम्स ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. उसमें जितना भी कॉलम हो जाए, पर तुम लोगों का ध्यान रखना है कि उस मैट्रिक्स में ओनली वन रो ही हो. ठीक है. तो यहाँ में देखो, यहाँ में एक दिया हुआ रो मैट्रिक्स का एग्जांपल लेके A11, A12, A13 इट विल कंटिन्यू अप टू A1n. मतलब क्या है, देखो सभी का मतलब सफिक्स में वन सेम है, मतलब एक ही रो में है, बट द कॉलम नंबर दैट इज द सेकंड नंबर इज चेंजिंग. ठीक है. सो तुम लोग अभी एक एग्जांपल ट्राई करो जिसमें एक ही रो होगा, but it contains lots of suppose what columns. So simply write down, for example, capital A equal to, because for example capital A equals to एक मैट्रिक्स का सिंबल देना स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, उसमें एक ही रो में लिख देना सपोज 1 2 3 4 separated. Okay, just make a difference, make a word space but not separated by commas. उसमें कॉमा नहीं लाना है, just एक ही कॉलम में लिखो 1 keep some space, then 2 keep some space, then 3 keep some space, then 4 third bracket close. Okay, so लिख लिया.
Sir, example to आगे एक बार कोई दियो.
Example to whole, capital A equal to within square bracket, that is the symbol of matrix 1, you can write 1, then any element we are choosing, so 1 you can write, then keep some space, एक ही रो में होगा, so it will not moving downwards, एक ही horizontal line में आएगा, so 1 थोड़ा space रखो, 2 again keep some space, 3 again some space, then 4 bracket close करो. So now tell me what is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix?
1 by 0.
1 by 1, 1 by 0.
Yeah.
4.
Lots of complaining.
1 by
there.
3.
Okay. No, see, since the matrix containing only one row. Okay, just listen.
1 by m.
Just
So 1 by m.
Wait, not right.
1 by 4.
Yeah. Wait. Just notice one thing. Since this matrix containing only one row, so order में क्या आता है? M by n आता है. Number of rows by number of columns. So यहाँ में number of row तो होगा 1. ठीक है? Into symbol होगा into column कितना है? Column होगा 1 2 3 4. मतलब vertically comes ना 4. Yes. That is the order of this matrix is 1 by 4. मैंने यहाँ में एग्जांपल में एलिमेंट क्या लिया, व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स आई हैव टेकन 1 2 3 4. यू कैन टेक सिमिलर अनदर एलिमेंट्स, सो दैट इज 0 -1 2 4 or 5. Just keeping one thing in your mind, that the elements should be written in only one row for a row matrix. Okay, इसमें कॉलम कितना आता है उसमें डिपेंड नहीं करता है, just only one row it will contain, and that is in horizontal line. Fine. So next you will move to the column matrix. Column matrix उल्टा होगा इसका. लिखो column matrix का definition लिखो.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So can you repeat once more about order?
What? Order.
Can you repeat once more about the order? Yes.
Yeah. Order of the given example you have written is 1 by 4. Why it is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 को कैसे लिखना है? 1 मल्टीपल सिंबल जो है क्रॉस सिंबल 4. Why it is 1 by 4? Because it will contain only one row and containing 4 columns here. Okay, 4 columns. एक तो कॉलम है 1 जो वर्टिकल में नीचे आएगा, then second column is 2, third column is 3, fourth column is 4. Okay, next write down column matrix का definition लिखो. Just write down the definition of a column matrix. A matrix a matrix containing only one column, a matrix containing only one column is said to be a column matrix. Is said to be a column matrix. मतलब क्या है? कॉलम मैट्रिक्स कब बोलेंगे? रो जितना भी हो जाए उसमें कोई मतलब वो नहीं है, लेकिन कॉलम एक ही होना होगा, मींस वर्टिकल लाइन एक ही होना होगा, ठीक है? सो फॉर एग्जांपल राइट डाउन, for example just write down the example in the example given in types of matrices too. Particle देना होगा, जैसे देखो a11 a21 a31 like that, but we are choosing the numbers. Okay, vertically देना है, ऐसे देना है, ठीक है? So just take the example, capital P equal to, write down any matrix, capital P equal to, within this type of square bracket, elements of लिखो 0 3 1 minus 1. I am just repeating the example, capital P equal to, within square bracket you have to write the elements in a particular way, particle line way. So 0 3 1 minus 1 particularly लिखना है, ठीक है? Now what is the order of this matrix?
4 by
4
1.
into 1. 4 into 1.
4 by 1, 4 by 1, yeah, 4 by 1, because it is containing 4 rows but contain only one column. Okay, so then यहाँ में definition वगैरह चेंज नहीं किया है. Okay, next number 3 point is what? Number 3 point is what?
Square matrix.
Square matrix. Square matrix. यहाँ में भी definition इतने अच्छी तरह नहीं दिया है. लिखो definition लिखो. Hello, ready? Okay, write down.
Yes, sir.
A matrix containing equal numbers of rows and columns. A matrix containing equal numbers of rows and columns. A matrix containing equal numbers of rows and columns is said to be a square matrix. Is said to be a square matrix. मतलब क्या होगा? What is this definition means? एक मैट्रिक्स है, ठीक है? एक मैट्रिक्स है जिसमें जितना नंबर ऑफ रो होगा उतना नंबर ऑफ कॉलम भी होगा, ठीक है? सो यहाँ में जो तुम्हारा डेफिनेशन दिया है, देखो n by n मैट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. देखो n by n मतलब रो भी n है, कॉलम भी n है, मतलब रो एंड कॉलम नंबर क्या होगा? सेम होगा. सपोज ए मैट्रिक्स कंटेनिंग 2 रोज, फॉर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स उसका 2 कॉलम भी. ओके, सो लिखो एक एग्जांपल लिखो. फॉर एग्जांपल कैपिटल A इक्वल टू, विद इन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लिखना, हॉरिजॉन्टली लिखो 5 minus 1, 5 and keep some space -1, और नीचे लिखो 2 4, 5 के नीचे 2, -1 के नीचे 4. So what is the order of this matrix?
2 by 2.
2 by 2.
So similarly you can give another examples of square matrices containing 3 rows 3 columns. Okay, 3 रो 3 कॉलम का भी तुम लोग एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं. फाइन. ओके, एक 3 by 3 ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स का मैं मतलब एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, लिखो कैपिटल P इक्वल टू, राइट डाउन कैपिटल P इक्वल टू फर्स्ट रो में लिखना 137 137, सेकेंड रो में लिखना -1 2 5, and in the third row 4 -2 3. So how many numbers of rows and columns? 3 rows 3 columns. So इसका order होगा क्या? 3 by 3.
3 by 3.
Yes.
3 by 3.
It's a square matrix.
3 by 3.
Okay.
Okay.
So next we are moving to, just see square matrix तुम लोगों को ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह याद रखना है, because from this square matrix all the other type of matrices will come. That is यहाँ में तो खाली diagonal matrix दिया हुआ है, but diagonal के बाद और भी एक लगेगा, that is not written over here. Diagonal के बाद 2 टाइप का मैट्रिक्स और है, and that should be discussed in the next class I think. So आज diagonal matrix just here लिखो diagonal matrix लिखो. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स दिखा?
Yes, sir.
सो यहाँ में
Yes, sir.
डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स का
Sir.
डेफिनेशन क्या दिया हुआ है, ये समझ में आ जाएगा शायद तुमको. देखो, इफ इन ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, मतलब डायगोनल होने के लिए पहले से ही वो मैट्रिक्स क्या होना होगा, स्क्वायर होना होगा, मतलब उसका नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स मतलब सेम होना होगा.
Same हाँ.
ठीक है. सो इफ इन ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स कैपिटल A Aij n by n, we have Aij equal to 0, where I not equal to 0, then A is called a diagonal matrix. Okay, so ये definition इतना समझ में नहीं आएगा. Aij 0 मतलब क्या है, जिसमें I not equal to j है, मतलब
Diagonal elements.
या
0.
नो, डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स में I इक्वल टू j होगा, नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स में मतलब I नॉट इक्वल टू j होता है. मतलब लिखो डेफिनेशन लिखो, ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी डायगोनल, a square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all the non-diagonal elements are 0. If all the non-diagonal elements are 0, मतलब नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर 0 मतलब what, जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट नहीं है, ठीक है, वो सब 0 होगा, जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट नहीं है. So just give the example, लिखो क्या लिखा डेफिनेशन, a square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if what, all the non-diagonal elements are 0. So just write down the example. Capital B equals to, write down capital B equals to first row में लिखो, write down the elements of the first row 2 0 0. Then second row में लिखो 0 5 0. Then third row में लिखो 0 0 7. Bracket close. So here you can see, first just see that whether it is a what is the order of this matrix, 3 by 3, na? So first see whether this is a square matrix or not. Yes, this is definitely a square matrix. So it is diagonal, we can say. Why? Because you can see what are the diagonal elements over here. 2 एक डायगोनल
Two,
एलिमेंट है,
5, and 7.
5 and 7. देखो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स तुम लोगों को कैसे मतलब वो करना है, मतलब सिलेक्ट करना है. फॉर डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स you have to choose those elements moving from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. Those are the diagonal elements. अपर का जो लेफ्ट का अपर का जो सबसे पहला एलिमेंट है उससे लेके लोअर के जो सबसे राइट एलिमेंट है उसका आना है. दैट इज द डायगोनल व्हाट एलिमेंट्स. सो यहाँ में डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या है, 2, 5,
2, 5, 7.
7 एंड 2, 5, 7 को छोड़ के बाकी सब एलिमेंट देखो दोज आर 0 ना. सो दिस इज द वर्ड
Yes, sir.
डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
मतलब
Yes, sir.
what can I say?
Yes, sir.
That all diagonal matrices are square matrices. That is obvious. Okay, but all the square matrices are may or may not be diagonal. Are you clear? All
sir
हाँ
और एक बार बोलिए सर.
नहीं वो मैं next class.
एक बार सर डेफिनेशन और बोलिए.
This is not the definition. This is the note that will be discussed in the next class. Just today के लिए definition को example के साथ कर लो because I have less than 1 minute to complete the thing. So for today we will stop it here and next suppose Wednesday को class जब होगा we will continue from diagonal matrices. Okay. So for attendance you just do what? You just do what for attendance? You have to what? Submit. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then so for today we will end the class.